Never use other stoves again. They are troublesome and dirty. Our wood stove can be ignited in 30 seconds and can burn anything with high flame and no smoke. If you don't believe me, let's do an experiment with the new wood stove. Double firewood inlet design. Large furnace door can put some large wood blocks. Small wood blocks can be put in from the top. Connect one end to the portable power supply and the other end to the stove, and generally turn the blower switch to the middle position. Put a few paper towels on top, then light another paper towel and put it in the stove. The stove has been lit. If you want a stronger fire, you can add some wood chips. If you want this amazing stove, please click get quote below to contact us.